はい、それでは AI の次ですね、モニターの話になります。最近はどの病院に行っても、あらゆる場面でモニターが設置されていると思います。先ほどの AI をはじめ、画像の高精細化であったり、情報の増加などの流れもあって、大型化。この数が増えて、サイズも増えてという状況がここに来て別の課題を生んできているようです。
はい。あれよ、これよと。モニターが増えていったらごちゃごちゃしてきますよね。
はい。
事務所ならまだしもそれが手術室とか治療室など患者もいる場所ですと、安全の観点からも問題が出てきますね。
はい。まさにその通りだと思います。そこで昨今重要になってきているソリューションがモニターマネジメントになります。今、この最先端のモニターマネジメントがどのようになっているかというのを、これからですね、オランダの事例を交えてご紹介させていただきたいと思います。それではヘルスケアモニターソリューションの説明始まります。どうぞ。
Hello, this is KK. I'm the sales manager for iHealthcare in Advantech. I would like to thank you for participating in our online webinar and showing interest in our 4K operating room integration solution. In this session, we have invited our DFSI partners in Europe. They will talk about the current market trends and ongoing disruption in OR integration. They will also share some of their successful installation in Europe. Before their talks, I would like to share some market information. First, let me point out some major trends in integrated OR market in recent times. Market size for integrated OR is USD 1.5 billion in 2020 and is forecasted to reach USD 3 billion in 2025 with a CAGR of 15%. This growth is mainly coming from emerging markets such as China, India, Southeast Asia and Middle East. The main growth reason is the hospital infrastructure in this country is still underdeveloped and now they want to upgrade their traditional infrastructure. Secondly, we have also seen robotic surgery such as Da Vinci robot and minimally invasive surgery has become mainstream in last few years. Patient, surgeon and insurance company all prefer to have minimally invasive surgery to reduce the risk of post-surgery complication and infection. In the case of traditional open surgery, the risk and cost for insurance company are very high, so they will push the hospital to spend for the latest equipment and lower the risk. Thirdly, we have noticed that the new OR tender demand for a future-proof software-defined video over IP platform instead of legacy system. Earlier, most hospital ORs are integrated with matrix switch, which is rigid and difficult to upgrade. The software-defined infrastructure is a vendor-neutral platform which can be agile, flexible and future-proof. Another trend we see is the big endoscopy brands such as Karl Storz, Olympus, Stryker have launched their new product with 4K camera. At the same time, the price of 4K 10-bit monitor have gone down in the last few years, so the total cost of the solution are not high compared to legacy solution. Also, surgeons prefer to do surgery with big 4K monitors because these devices can definitely improve their surgical outcomes and reduce work fatigue. The main issue with the old traditional OR is that it is not designed to meet the current needs of the surgeon and surgical teams. Surgeons expect all the patient records ready or can be easily accessed during surgery. In the traditional OR, there are too many equipments and cables on the floor of the operating rooms. This takes a lot of idle time for disinfecting the OR. This can increase the chance for the patient to get hospital-acquired infection during surgery. Another issue is that hospital information system, EMR, medical imaging PACS system are not connected to the OR platform. According to the studies, OR makes most of the revenue for the hospital and account for about 60% of all revenue. So, longer the OR idle time, more revenue disappears. This motivates the hospital management to invest in integrated OR. Therefore, Advantech has done a lot of research to understand the pain points of surgeons, operating room supporting staffs, hospital IT and hospital management. and we have designed our 4K OR software based on their needs. User interface is very simple to be used by surgical team. Surgeons expect to control their surgery from one touch PC to access all EMR, PACS, patient test results. They can also record, capture, screenshot of the surgery for reporting. 4K based monitor enable the surgeons to see the infected tissue with clarity. Surgeon can easily do video conference with other surgeons and can share endoscope image or PACS image and get feedback. Advantech is the only company which has a broad range of medical grade hardware and software available under one brand. Our 4K AV solution is based on 10G video over IP. AVAS is the key product of this video platform, and it can route 4K uncompressed video without latency to any monitor in the hospital network. We also offer medical and surgical grade monitor from 21-inch to 55-inch with 10-bit 4K features for surgery to see clear and vivid image quality, so that high-quality surgery can improve the post-surgery outcomes. Advantech also provides medical-grade all-in-one PC from 10-inch to 24-inch, which is used in the OR as a surgeon control panel. Surgeon can easily route selected video source to any monitor inside or outside the OR. The all-in-one PC can also be used by nurses and surgeons to access EMR and hospital information system. USM 500 is a 4K video recorder. Surgeon can record video or can take snapshot during surgery. ARMIS 50E is used as a mobile trolley with Wi-Fi connected PC to access patient data, test reports before starting the surgery. HIT BX2 is a mini box PC used as a master node for controlling the video routing software. Now our next guest speaker is Piet Hogendorn, an OR flow specialist at Interforward Solution. She is a well-known face in the OR integration and OR workflow in Dutch healthcare market. Piet can tell you everything about successfully integrated information provision and process support in the OR. So I think we could hear more about the OR processes and flow solution, and I would like to invite her to share her experiences in working with Advantech.
My name is Piet Hogendoren, OR Flow Sales Specialist. I represent Inter, a market-leading digital OR builder and software developer based in the Netherlands. In this video, I'll tell you more about our OR integration solution, all controlled by our beautiful software platform, OR Flow. In a minute, I'll tell you more about innovations, staying ahead of the game. But first of all, I want to tell you about the core modules. Those modules that have proven themselves in over 300 ORs in the past 10 years. You probably have seen versions of these, routing and recording solutions. Any hospital in 2021 will include a routing and recording solution when investing in their operating theater. In a world going digital, these are essential to have all relevant image information available at the correct time and place. As you will see in the Erasmus video, all imaging is shared throughout all of the OR on the desired monitors. And beyond the OR, through recording and streaming. Our solution provides the OR an ergonomic setup and the possibility to look along with what surgeon is doing without overcrowding the sterile zone. This will improve their work and enable them to teach and intervision. One is accessibility, ease of use inside and outside the OR. This is why routing, recording and streaming is integrated in one. Sending your image inside the OR or outside the OR, it's all the same easy act. So, ease of use. OR or maybe your digital staff will only find added value in streaming and recording when they feel comfortable using these materials. I'll leave you with the image of IMAS Online, available on any PC. May this be at home or somewhere else in the hospital. The part of our solution that I like to compare with YouTube. This is where you will log in to review, evaluate and share. Where your supporting specialist on distance will log in for streaming. Second, and even more important, is a closed-loop workflow. What you see here is the integration of a DICOM worklist. Our software will guide you through a workflow of selecting a patient from such a worklist. Then, Starting a recording is only possible after you selected that correct patient. And before you can start the next patient, the workflow makes sure you first store or delete the material of last patient. The closed-loop workflow provides safety by design. Material will certainly be stored correctly, including the correct metadata like name, patient number, etc. And following obvious privacy requirements, which specialists can actually view the info in the online portal. Okay, that's it for the core modules. Those essential to any OR in 2021. But how about the hospitals that have the opportunity to really invest in innovation and process optimization? Hospitals having the opportunity to really invest in 1. A cleaner and safer OR, 2. Improving patient and staff safety, ways of improving efficiency, and enhancing quality and performance of each and every procedure. This is the opportunity that we get at hospitals like Erasmus Medical Center, the hospital that you will see in the Advantech video. It's 26 ORs where we really get the opportunity to guide the team through their process. All the information they need, they will find in OR Flow. This information was earlier before found in systems, and now it's really guiding them through their procedure. And of course, OR Flow is all about control. Remember routing and recording. But OR Flow goes as far as controlling building management systems, radio, and border control outside of the OR. Last but not least, we'll make sure to add functionalities that help avoid man-made mistakes. Think of gauge count and calculating blood loss. OR Flow is the true integrated OR for today, tomorrow, and the future.
Remember? Piete just mentioned an introduction of a video about the installation at Erasmus MC Hospital in Netherlands. Erasmus MC is one of the most prestigious and best medical teaching hospitals in Europe. How did Advantech and Inter completed these 28 operating rooms in Erasmus MC Teaching Hospital with an agile, flexible and future-proof solution? Let's watch the video.
The Erasmus University Hospital recently opened their new facilities. It adopted a digital multimedia video solution for their 26 operating rooms. Advantech, Inter and Sigma XG changed the way staff can access and interact with data and multimedia video streams.
Ja, toen we het nieuwe complex gingen bouwen, hadden wij als doelstelling om zoveel mogelijk van de oude analoge technieken te vervangen voor digitale. Dus er waren veel post-its, veel papier, veel wat oudere systemen waar we onder andere de beeldroutering op lieten plaatsvinden. En we wilden in de nieuwbouw dat zoveel mogelijk centraliseren in één oplossing, waarbij je al die informatiebronnen op één plek hebt. En ook het videorouteringssysteem geïntegreerd in hetzelfde systeem. Uiteindelijk heeft Inter samen met Advantech dit systeem nu ontwikkeld, waarbij ook de technologie geïntegreerd zit in één scherm, waarbij het zo min mogelijk verstoring geeft ook van de luchtbehandeling. En we op deze manier mooie geïntegreerde OK hebben met het nieuwe scherm.
Advantech is mainly geared at video management on an IP level, so distributing images and video via an IP stream and switching between these video streams. Our main goal is to integrate all this equipment together with the support of the process within the OR into a video platform. In earlier systems, video management was fixed and was not actually geared at the user, but was more a technical product. It's now that it's very clear for the user what has been connected, which sources are available, which sources are on the monitors, and which sources you can record. So for the user, it's a much friendlier system to work with.
De voordeel van het medische team is juist de centralisatie van alle mogelijke informatiebronnen die je nodig hebt op één plek. Dus niet verspreid over de OK. Je weet waar je alles kan vinden wat je nodig hebt. Het kan niet anders dan dat het de informatie van de patiënt is die op dat scherm staat. Dus op die manier is ook de patiëntveiligheid gewaarborgd. Alles wat de patiënt betreft die op deze tafel ligt, dat is ook de informatie die je op dat scherm vindt. op die ene plek voor iedereen toegankelijk met touchscreen, zodat het makkelijk voor iedereen te gebruiken is.
Together with Advantech, Inter and Sigma XG, the new digital IoT era of hospitals has begun. Starting with the largest and state-of-the-art Rotterdam University Hospital in the Netherlands, we aim to enhance patient safety and streamline processes for hospital staff all over the world.
After watching Erasmus MC's successful story, I believe all of you see that Advantech joined hands with our local partners to complete highly complicated OR projects. With our partners, we provide the best solution for your integrated OR. Welcome to contact our local sales. Thank you for your time.
なるほど。この事例はオペレーションルーム内のモニターマネジメントでしたけど、確かにいろんな場面で増えるモニター、情報を管理する技術って非常に重要になってくるというのが理解できました。それにしても、これはオランダの事例ですか？なんか、システムインテグレーターもおしゃれですし、病院の先生もネットフリックスのドラマみたいでかっこいいですね。